In this video, we will focus on the acknowledgement system in Leon software. This feature will allow your crew members to acknowledge the changes that you will be making in their roster. With one click, your crew members can let you know that they have seen and accepted the change. The initial setup must be done by the admins in the admin panel. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner, and then go to the General Settings. Here, please enter the Mobile Notifications tab. Now, you can activate the feature by switching the Crew Roster Changes Acknowledgements option. Here, you'll have 4 options: None, which will disable the feature, Duties, Flight Positionings and Simulators, and All Kinds of Activities, meaning duties, flights, positionings, and simulators. Once you select the correct option, the crew members will receive push notifications after updates in the roster, and they will be able to acknowledge the change. Such changes can be accepted by using Leon's mobile application. Here, when the crew members will enter their duties, they will be able to see red lines visible under their activities. If the crew member is added to the flight or to the duty, a red line will be visible. Changes can be acknowledged from the main view. If the crew member clicks on a particular day, the acknowledgement button will be visible at the bottom part of the screen. Also, the crew members can access the history of changes by double-clicking on a day, or clicking the clock icon in the upper part. The acknowledgement will also always be there, so they can click that they have seen and accepted the change. When the crew member will get back to the main view, the line will be blue, which is indicating that the acknowledgement has been met. Now, such changes will be visible also in the web version of Leon. If you enter the Ops module of Leon, either Table, Calendar, or Timeline view, and access some particular day where the crew member is assigned to the flight, you'll be able to see acknowledgement, and the dot will be visible. If the dot is visible in red color, that means that the acknowledgement wasn't clicked. If it's green, that means that the crew has acknowledged the change. This option can be also visible in the Crew module of Leon. If you are using Crew Timeline or Crew Calendar, then beneath the duty, you will be able to see the lines which are indicating the acknowledgements. In the Crew Calendar, if you right-click or click on a change that wasn't acknowledged, you also have the option to confirm, notify, but not confirm and not notified. You can also switch the acknowledgements, but in this case, you will have 3 possible colors. When you select Notified, not confirmed, the color will be yellow. This will be also visible in other modules of Leon.